If you have knee osteoarthritis, you have probably been told the same thing. Your cartilage is worn out. That is why it hurts. It sounds obvious, but it is not quite true, and understanding why can change how you think about your knee. Here is the surprising part. Cartilage, the smooth covering on the ends of your bones, has no nerves in it. None. And pain needs a nerve to carry it. So no matter how worn your cartilage is, the cartilage itself cannot actually hurt. This explains something doctors see every day. One person has a knee that looks terrible on the X-ray and barely feels a thing. Another has a knee that looks almost normal and is in real pain. If worn cartilage were the cause, this could never happen. In fact, only about half the people whose X-rays show clear arthritis have pain at all. So if the cartilage is not the source of the pain, what is? The answer is the tissues around it, the ones that do have nerves, the lining of the joint, the tissue around the meniscus, the cushion in your knee, and most importantly, the bone just beneath the cartilage. That bone is where much of the pain really lives. When the joint is under stress, that bone becomes inflamed, grows tiny new blood vessels, and along with those vessels come new nerves, inflamed, sensitive, and firing easily. On an MRI, this shows up as a bright spot in the bone, and it is the single finding that lines up best with real pain. So here is what matters for you. Worn cartilage is the sign that names the condition. It is not, by itself, the thing causing your pain, which is actually good news, because the painful parts, the inflammation, the irritated tissue around the joint, can often be calmed and treated, even when the cartilage does not grow back. So do not let a worn X-ray frighten you into thinking nothing can be done. The worn cartilage is only part of the picture. The pain comes from somewhere we can often reach. I explain all of this in much more detail in my other videos.